Hello, namaste, and welcome to Agile Exploration Hub. I'm your host, Nagesh Deshpande. Agile isn't all about frameworks, it's about people, energy, and the engagement. But what if the learning and applying Agile is a fun? So, in this episode of Agile Exploration Hub, we will talk with Saroj. She is an Agile coach with 16 plus years of experience in IT, over 10 years experience in leading Agile transformations and coaching ways of working in Agile. She is redefining how organizations learn through gamification. She also shares the real story of using games, simulations to build framework, teamwork, improve collaboration, and deepen the Agile understanding. So, if you're an Agile coach, Scrum Master, and thought leader looking to make transformation exciting, effective, this episode is all about it. So, watch till the end and subscribe to my channel. So, without wasting much time, let's welcome Saroj. Saroj. Hey, hi Saroj.
Hi Nagesh,
How are you?
I'm doing good. What about you?
All good, all good. So, to my audience, as you know, we record on weekends and then we release new episode on every Monday 8 p.m. So, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. So, gamification is something which is very interesting topic to be discussed. I haven't attended many talks or haven't seen any conference discussion on gamification in person. There might be many, but Saroj brought a lot of expertise in it. So, without wasting much time, let's get on to today's discussion. So, Saroj, first thing, what is gamification and what does gamification mean in context of Agile?
So, simple definition if you say it's a gamification, it's a process where you apply game-like elements like you have points, you have badges, you have leaderboard, and some challenges, some rewards. So, it just convert that non-game activity to be more engaging and motivating. So, this is just gamification.
Right.
So, when you, yeah, yes, continue.
Yeah. So is it like the new trending apps where you complete some activity? So let's say I the app gives you challenge for 10 kilometers walking, or complete one translation today, and then you get reward points. Is it like that?
Yes, similar to that. Similar to that, yes, because walking can be boring at times. Yes.
Exactly.
So if you add this fun element, you get points and then you see the leaderboard. Yeah, similar. It's very good analogy which you have brought it, right? But it's good. Yes, similar to it.
Nice.
So yes. So you have already mentioned for walking, you can gamify that. Similarly, in agile context, we encourage participation, collaboration, and continuous improvement within agile teams. So, by making the routine activities more interactive and fun. So, there we apply gamification. So, in the context, you can link with this, like for agile, how you
Okay.
do it. Yeah.
Okay. And then how gamification can help team embrace agile values faster.
Okay. Now that's a good question. So usually, what do you say? You have to combine fun with theory, accelerates learning, and then it ensures a long-term retention. Okay. So you see, like agile scrum ceremonies, they become monotonous, quite
Right.
boring. Okay.
Boring. Yes.
Yes.
Mm.
So if you explain team, you show them lengthy, boring presentation. Somewhere you lose that value in between.
Right.
So we apply gamification to explain these agile principles, then Scrum values, and how these Scrum events are done. So it brings the interest. So I'll give you an example. In Cognizant, like I work for Cognizant, so we have just like the we have hackathon, we have Agileathon, and
Oh,
it's like
nice.
a couple of years back. There I participated, and me and along with my partner, we co-created gamification of Scrum ceremonies. Okay, so
Okay.
we gamified each and every ceremony. Okay, we introduce how you do sprint planning. For every commitment you complete, you will get point. For daily stand-up finishing on time, you will get point. For doing some ownership work, that like helping someone else, you will get some bonus point. So all these things we gamified, and then there was a real-time leaderboard, and where the team can see where they are standing, and it brought a lot of competition, and good competition we can say, and then brought a lot of energy. So we actually won that in that competition as our idea. It won like most innovative idea. Okay, and it was so much appreciated. And later on, within my team also, I have used this game for to improve our sprint planning. And there I actually saw how they approach the team member. They were more engaged, they were collaborative, and they have a deeper understanding of agile values as compared to just giving a theoretical knowledge to them. I find it
Hmm.
more useful, so it added value there. So it
Right.
really helped us actually.
Right. So that's a really visible transformation that you are seeing, right?
Right.
Right. So you already gave some examples, but do you want to share more examples where the game or activity transformed team behavior?
Yeah. So as I said, this is one of the real-time game which
Hmm.
was presented and which won the most innovative idea. I actually implemented it within the team. Further, what we did is like after you have done all these games and all, we also have introduced this star of the month, sprint winner. So yeah, that kind of rewards are also there. So we also scaled up to multiple squads. It's not like limited to one or two squad to the tribe. So it actually helped them. So giving them rewards and all, it also helped. Additionally, what I do is uh, usually what we have is our I work for a European bank, so we have lot many clients who visit us. So there is a ritual which we have made, like whenever you visit for the with client, the team members all who are present there, we play games, agile
Right.
capsule, we call it as agile capsule. So it is a way of like it is a ice breaking also. At the same time, we play different kind of games depending upon the team uh, current issues, what is they are lagging in. So we identify those games. So there's one of the popular game like Kanban pizza, which we all agilists know. So the team which is working in Kanban, whose working limit process limit is not being followed, that was an issue. There the real time feedback was not present. So we played that game with
Hmm.
client and the team members. So they actually had a very good, we had fun and they understood in real time, like what they are lagging, okay, how they can maintain working progress. Because whenever we include, like, okay, there will be a penalty of not finishing the pizza on time. Okay, when if you're not able to bake it, you will get negative point. So they understand, oh, there is a penalty. So similarly in workplace, if there is a lot many spillover,
Right.
ideally little bit of spillover is okay, but every time if you're doing a spillover, how do you not penalize the team, but how would you see the importance of, it is something of wastage. So
Right.
something we can relate with that game and then the team member, and it was actually helped us. So likewise we have multiple agile capsules or games as a agile coach we have identified, and we keep playing with the team and the our clients which visit. And when you are saying that it how it transformed, so actually there are different teams. But what I saw when I met them on the floor, within the team, I see that there is uh, some kind of encouragement to participate in agile ceremonies. People
Right.
want to participate because they understand
Right.
there is a healthy competition, there is a
Hmm.
collaboration. Okay, so they know, okay, now they have to improve their velocity, not by just increasing the story point, but yeah, adding certain value. They have to minimize the spillover. Okay, they have
Right.
to give proper reason, like justification, like how why it has happened. So all this thing, that it has promoted the teamwork, and they focus on delivering value. So I have seen this in our
Right.
sports.
Yeah, yeah. So I can imagine something in my mind, the scene, the actual activity happening right in front of me. And
Mm,
let's say team A and team B are there. Team A and team B are making similar mistakes. In old ways of agile implementation, team A try to explain them in theory.
yeah,
So team B will not you get involved, all of them,
right,
only one or two members. But in terms of game, if they start involving, no, this is how it should be done. You do like this. These are the few steps, first steps, second steps. Then the team will get involved.
right,
So
right.
I can see the psychological pattern here of the
Yeah,
team, and
yeah,
that brings me to my next question. So how these psychological principles, you know, getting involved or trying to see someone else in the similar kind of a situation, these kind of psychological principles makes gamification so effective in learning.
yeah. So this is again a very good question, and you have actually answered it in a way. So when you play game in real time and you involve team, so you actually have a healthy competition already.
Right,
Real time, you see how they are doing it. There are points which we mention. Okay, this is a negative marking, this is your current standing. We divided different iteration within like 20 minutes of game. There will be 2 to 3 iteration. Okay, 5 minute each. So this is your standing. So actually they get the immediate feedback. They see the
right,
video, they see, okay, they are earning points. Okay, this team is, scoring more, their work is so good, we are spilling over. So this is some kind of increase motivation, bring a healthy competition, but at the same time they enjoy it, this process. I see the involvement, so they
right,
feel involved, they get the immediate feedback. And
right,
the second one, which is uh, quite important one, they get intrinsic motivation.
right,
So if you have read this book of Daniel Pink, Drive, so we have like autonomy, mastery, and purpose. So you when they start playing the game, they get the whole control. Okay, they are the owners, so nobody is like stopping them. They are making decisions. So their autonomy, they are making the progress, they are improving. They get the mastery, and they have a purpose. They have a goal. Okay, we have to finish it, and we have to win. So that intrinsic motivation is also there, that psychologically. And when you say similar to the feedback which they get, they have leaderboard. And
right,
okay, so they see their standing, so they see they've been recognized. End of the game, when we announce the result, okay, you are the winner, now tell us how you have played it. They get a social proof that, okay, we have done something. And you're not
right.
getting award in the sense like not giving them something, some goodies or something. It is coming
Materialistic,
from
no, nothing
within.
materialistic, right,
Yes, it is not materialistic, but still you see the enthusiasm. Okay, they get so involved that you have to stop them. Okay, the time is up, we have only 20 minutes, let's go, and we have to do other office work. So that recognition is also a motivating factor. So
right.
all this
So the team gets the right kind of dopamine rush, right?
yeah, yeah, that kind of thing. Yes, yes.
Absolutely. Nice. And then now let's say we till now we discussed about the teams. Now let's talk about leadership also. So that how leaders can use gamification to drive the engagement on innovation.
Yeah, see, leaders, uh, these all, when I say that in our for our client, this is one of the most uh, reputed European bank for which I work. So we have these leadership visit all the time. Okay, and it's not one or two, it's yearly. We get like 50 to 55 client visiting us.
Oh,
Okay, so yes, so to show them a presentation, because they get involved in too many presentations. So what we do is at the same time, how would you say that so many people are here on in the office? They should interact with them. So what we do is we form groups and play the game. Okay,
right.
kind of ice breaking also happen. At the same time, there are different teams. Okay, which we make and make them play this agile capsule, which we say. So this has been driven from the leadership itself. So the leadership of what cognizant here and the leadership which visit us. So
Hmm.
in within that. they also play the game. It's not like only the team here they play. The leaders also have to play the game. So when they play and they see on the ground, like sometimes it is little difficult. You understand the problem of the team members also. Like why this
Right.
is a spillover. They give a very good justification. Oh, our environment was down. So how from the game they do it, like, so for example, I've given them Caesar and resources, A4 size paper. They say, okay, the Caesar is not working, so the resource is not proper being given to us, so that is why we took time, and that is why the spillover. So now they say, okay, from the game, okay, so in real time it happens, because usually leadership does not know about the ground reality.
Right.
Right,
Right. Mm.
right. And in the same game, which we give to different leaders and the team members, we for the same game we get different kind of solutions. Okay, so every game when we finish, I actually explain them. Okay, the previous team and the previous client when which they worked, they were like they finished in less time or more time. This was their solution. Your solution is different. I mean, the way you have approached this solution, this is different. So they actually, if you see in the iteration of one or two iteration within the game, you get so many ideas. They also gave so many ideas. I while facilitating such game, I get so many creative ideas. So the engagement is there already. Okay, all the team members, all the leadership engagement with the team members. So they see, okay, and they also have fun because these people are always busy doing the presentation, have a talk, uh, formal talk. So this is the place where they show their innovation that time. Okay, they can also do it. And engagement, of course, everybody in the floor and the leadership from the Europe and India, they combine, they come and they do this.
Right. So it's a
And
very nice collaborative and innovative activity
yes.
that visible to everyone, not just for the team as well as the leader. Nice, Vile, nice. So
And one more example, if we have time, I want to
yeah,
give.
yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the initiative which we have taken once when we had returned from COVID. So their this return to office was just starting up. So the team members and if you see the leaders, they've not seen each other because some people were recruited at that time. So this initiative which I took was different location of Cognizant and with this client. So we identify champions, we explain the game which they have to play. So they have this ritual that every month, okay, decide one Friday, they all will come along with their leaders and they have to play the game. And
Hmm.
so people started finding some purpose coming to office. Okay, they can collaborate, they can see actually, okay, we are normal human beings. So people were not knowing each other. So that way they also collaborated. They find it engaging, and after that we used to go for lunch together. So that kind of activity which we did increase the engagement. Okay, people engagement and then collaboration. So of leaders, of managers, team members, they are also interacting with each other. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. And then mm, you largely covered it, but I wanted to hear some of the mistakes while this gamification activities or at least introducing to the theme. So what kind of mistakes you see?
Yeah. So uh, I think there is one big mistake that happens is we should not forget the purpose,
Right.
okay, of playing the game. Okay, it is gamification, of course. You learn by having fun. That is all there, but making it too competitive at time and forgetting about the agile principles and values, you shouldn't be doing that.
Hmm.
So don't make it too complex for people to understand. Okay, it should be simple, and at times it should be. You should also take the feedback from the team which you are playing. Okay, maybe from one team it works exactly the same way. It doesn't matter that it will work similar way to in other teams. So
Other team,
different
yes, I
team
agree.
is different. Development team is different. You have testing team, or maybe sometime you have DevOps team. So their way of working is very different. So
Right.
at times the rules are different. So you have to take the feedback and adjust. Okay, don't be too rigid and don't get too competitive. Like healthy competition is always required, but people just trying to compete and not having the shared values of the team, then it will create a problem. then there will be no fun of having this gamification. Okay, so I
Nice.
think these are the couple of mistakes we should avoid.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, guys, avoid these mistakes. Okay. So, to my audience, I'll request, if you want to use gamification, if you want to learn more about gamification, feel free to connect with Saroj. I will add her contact details, LinkedIn profile in the description box. Saroj, do you want to say something on this?
Yeah, yeah. See, it is helping me as agile practitioner, gamification, and I'm here ready to, as a community, we should be helping each other. So anyone who is struggling for making their rituals, agile rituals, as fun, they can reach out to me. Of course, within Cognizant, we have agile community, so there I share these ideas. But out for outside people also, please feel free to contact me in case you need any help to gamify your ceremonies, or what are the different games you can have to make your engagement with people more productive and valuable. Yeah, thanks.
Once again, thank you, Saroj. Thank you for being such a wonderful speaker. Bye bye.
Bye bye.